LargeUp. Anytime I call and say that. Rise. Lexus rise. Hey, I can see Lexus rising. I can see Lexus rising across the mountain. Rise and let the wind blow. Lexus rise. Rise and let the sun shine. Rise. I can see Selassie, I rise it. Yeah man, I gear man out there.
Hello? No, I said, I'm going to New York tomorrow, so the best we get to fix a song today, or tonight. Like me personally, that get pretty excited. How much people can say them get nominated for a VMA award, you know what I'm saying? For me, it's like another stepping stone. It's like another, you know, I hope I win. Dancehall need a moon man anyway. I bag of artists with them I play up every night. The same artists, them are the same part, and none of them now got a VMAs. Being a dancehall star, like, it's funny. You can't too many people that see it too much. And you can't be missing too long. This is a small country, and even like too much of nothing about it. They can see you every day, right? If you can't drive past right this one, see you every day. They're not going to want to pay $1,000 to come see you. Time change and everything change with it, you know what I'm saying? And the stage, we're in a computer stage now, and like it's no more record or you know what I'm saying? It's gone to that level where you can just send a song all over the world, worldwide, and never just work with that level, you know. That's what the music, you know. So we gotta find out ways to capitalize on these things. I think people should stop bitch about not having no fucking money. Stop bitching about not having the money. You should bitch about not having any idea to make money. I know what's that. I'm gonna get them broke while. Let me get them see me them smile. Whenever I'm picking up the class, I'm picking up the eye, I'm picking up the first I get them. Check out the profile. Yeah, masters, I'm gonna get them now. Take it up. Reggie got said, CP in Karima get them full easy box use and you want get them full who will not swat that they me and give them full give them like this when you live in somewhere we do give it them 2010 we are gonna do give it them why them want black tie and twitters give it them man give it them all them a flip up them can't compare with them and them don't flip really not scare with them we say them a flip up but them can't compare with them I try to hear with them alright box juice have a new style where we call it what we say the style name again now what we say the style name again now what we say the style name alright cool you can't talk anything right now this Bring off Mr. Levy. Yo, niggas, I got in there. If you want to get started, let's see the nurse around country. Now five, right? 4 boys and 1 girl. Okay. All of them are musicians and all of them want to be artists. You know what I'm saying? Like, they idolize me. Like, they look up to me so much. You know what I'm saying? Even though them daddy like differently, like I'm the coolest dad to them. I my kids them from the studio, you know. Like, I never really want my kids them. I never really want my kids them bust as a child star. Cause one time them grew up with too hard, man, to them bust back. You know what I'm saying? So when they reach about 17, 18, then they can decide if this is what they want to do with them. You know, yeah, like father, like kids. I'm gonna take big up little Chris, little Trey, Gerari, and Demoya. I love you, baby. Alright, for sum it all up, it's been 10 years now since my boss. I'm still on tour. Like, my fans still want to see me. I know people who bust 05, 06 and nobody don't want to see them right now. I've got a bunch of songs where next year them never can sing them. But if them really sit down and make some sturdy music, they have music, you know what I say? We still sing Walk Up in the video, we still sing with the Now Old Man Again. These some music are like 7, 8, 9 years ago. Long time. Matter of fact, them songs them still tour upon. A lot of them artists want to send them go on job experience a FedEx or UPS car. None of them now on a delivery. Okay, so this is Exodus Studio. Used to be my hangout spot. Fucking now there, you know. Like nothing happens here. It's like a Dubplates spot, so over there, so it's like we hang out and we know a friend, man. Snitch on the whole of them, man. So. But no recording at 2 ones, we just do Dubplates. It's just like a prime Dubplate spot. Like from all over the world. Erik Ebright.
Little miss, go on like she big. Little miss, feel she get big. So we do it. You see me, I say, Exodus for there, you know, on Red Hills Road, I go on city, you know. That's how we do it.
Yeah, man.
Green, you know.
And then me can take the blum, ratatata, blam, blam. Large up in my go kill and not that jump on. Yeah, man, the original youth and green say large up, man. Yeah, no science name. Yeah, man. Large up, don't believe in cocaine. We don't believe in grabbing chains. We don't believe in shooting our brothers down. You're in tune to large up. Ayaga, yeah. I'm a my, yeah. I'm a my. See ya. Say there is no peace in this war. Rude boy, guard you wait. I said that too much of bloodshed. Large upset.
From the day I know myself, yeah, I've been a drifter. Oh yeah, oh yes, oh yes. Yeah. Girl, will you run, come and give me your love? Oh yeah, your true love. Girl, will you run, come and give me your love? Oh yeah, oh yes, oh yeah. Yeah man, I done swags man. Don't know everything is everything swag.
I ain't never seen this before. Never see so many people be down the place when come in and launch up and play up on the scene. Launch up and come in and some disease. How do you mean? Oh.
So basically this is how we just do it like all day. We just for the whole day, just all kind of stars from all about, all over the world, isn't it? It's great to judge up for one thing.
Balo. Enough of them guys, them a live in a low. Pass in a church, them a get in a spirit and a shout. Alle, they say me buy a Chris Benz, a Chris Baby Lou. Latest edition say 5 Lou. You don't check me we check Lou. Went downtown, figure buy color Lou.
Jamaica is the only fucking place where when we say downtown, nobody want to go downtown after 6. Like, that's wrong, man. Jamaica, they say, no, yo, the party capital, you know, man, I even tell you, man. But they're gonna switch that and make downtown big. The downtown, like, downtown all over the world. You know what I say, like, by then, you know, man, they say, yo, we go downtown, yo. You know, say, clubs and
Vibes.
You know, man, the Gucci stores and
anything,
Louis stores and this is a beautiful waterfront, yo. Man, I'm gonna drive down there and make you see. Honestly, though, you don't get to realize how nice it is until you leave and go somewhere else. It no matter where you go. Once you leave Jamaica and go somewhere else, that's when you realize how nice the place is. Real. The waterfront, nice, yo. Volatile outside. What the fuck? And we are so fucking impatient, man. Cause that's the one thing we're proud of, you know, like all of the people that I know from before I became who I am, elevated and make myself, you know, become somebody in society. And then watch me do it. Become a millionaire. From nothing. Nothing, dog. I tell you about use the teeth. One time I remember my teeth in bridging shoes. Not my bridging, my neighbor shoes. I mean, I never really bridges, but my neighbor and man left him shoes I roll and I go race there. And lick the shoes there. I can't tell how in the party the man jam me in the party and say, oh yeah, I boy. Am I shoes dog? That's why now, if I you check me for your shoes or check me for clothes or whatever, it's like nothing, man. Like, now, you know what I say? I have hundreds of pairs of shoes now. You know what I say? It's been 10 years now, so I've grown now and you know, my music is more mature now. I like to keep it that way, you know what I'm saying? I'm not really gonna go back to where I started. So like with the new album, I can basically listen to hear different type of things. Shit, you can probably hear me sing on it. When it rains, this is how you feel. You know that this is real. Someday we'll be together. Oh, my girl, them there. Sing that song. Holla the girl, them with them on taxi fare. Make me send them all up and down in the air. The girl, them with them on taxi fare. Make me send them. Sing. Let those monkeys out. Holla the girl, them with them face bleach out. When you see them, you fish out. Ooh, ooh, ah, ah, ah. The monkey that. Ooh, ooh, ah, ah, ah. Full 100. Let those monkeys out. Holla the girl, them with them face bleach out. When you see them, you fish out. Ooh, ooh, ah, ah, ah. The monkey that. Ooh, ooh, ah. Woman, you better can't cook. Think you that you feel your pretty look. You want to leave a restaurant and come down me bank book. Cook! Recipe book. Go on in the kitchen cause you and them no look. You better cook. Think you that you feel your pretty look. You want to leave a restaurant and come down me bank book. Cook! Recipe book. Go on in the kitchen cause you and them no look. Big Sunday morning, you lay down in a bed for your ball 2 bananas, steam 2 fish head. 400 after the girl them. Swag dog. Biggie! Yo, I swear, the next motherfucking person will come up to me and ask me if I dub plate for full 100 sound. I'ma lose it on there. I'ma lose it.
Cover the world like, cover the girl like. When you see me and my friends, them roll out. Anything goes. We up night and I jump on the vibe, everything alright, so anything goes. So down the street, so anything goes. In on the G, so anything goes. That's the police, I'm a check on the block, so anything goes. Yo, to the car, me and the friend, they go along the bar. When you're rolling up in my life, every corner, every end to every resident, every dent, every dance,
yeah. I'm Miss Alex. Oh, 121. Where's the cuddling? Up the girl them.
You a pre, them a pre, she a pre, him a pre. Every day them get up, all them do a pre. All I gotta do a watch and chat. All them a